Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ojima Ejike. I'm a YouTuber, a comedian. I make comedian posts and also do YouTube training in order to make you successful because I was getting a lot of comments. If you are new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share it to your friends. Today, this topic, I'm going to show you how you can grow your YouTube channel from 0 views and 0 subscribers. Just follow me and make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to give you the bonus tips on how I title my video. First, on how I grow my YouTube channel. Sorry. First of all, don't if you are a comedian, don't make your first video and just upload it because people are not going to know you. You see, because if you make your first videos and upload it, people are not going to know who you are. All you have to do is that before when you start your YouTube channel, you have to do a YouTube training as I was doing now. You have to do the YouTube training that you can title the title like how to, how I, you see, because people, that's the title that people are searching for. Once you got millions of subscribers, thousands of subscribers, you can be start uploading your comedy because you know that you have get monetized and you can also start uploading your comedy to them. That is true. And the second thing, say use a YouTube trailer. YouTube trailer is the first video you first see on the channel. Use the trailer and tell the people who you are. Tell them how often you are going to be posting video. Like, my name is Ojima Ejike. I am a comedian. I made comedy and I post them on Friday. Number 3, connect with your fans. Just knows that the people are watching your video are human being. They are not just number or machine. Connect with them. When they comment below, answer their comments. Sometimes give them hearts, give them love, show them that you are watching to them. Respond to their comment because to do that they are going to say that they are important to you, and they are also subscribe and tell their friends to come and join them in your channel. Number 4, have a CTA on your video. What is a CTA stand for? A CTA stand for call to action. Don't make your video and just throw it away. Like, let me give you an example. If today is the first time you are visiting to this channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. If you want to watch my comedies, I upload a video 3 times in a week and do some YouTube training. If you want to learn from me, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I just ended the call to action to this video now. Tell your viewers to things like subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, come back on Friday or come back any day you are posting a video to watch another episode. That's how you are going to grow your YouTube channel. And I'm thinking, say, if you are doing this for, let me say, a month, you are going to see the result of it. The other thing is that don't give up. Many people are just uploaded video and also give up too soon. That is not good. Don't give up on YouTube. YouTube is a business for you, so don't give up. Just trying your best, always watching a tutorial. Like now, as I am teaching you now, you have to follow me because you have to collaborating with other YouTubers. As you follow me, so I'm going to also teach you the things you can be doing in order to get successful on YouTube. Because you are going immediately you started uploading video that I said you to do teaching first, you are going to get a lot of views and subscribers. Oh yeah, bye bye. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Next time I'm going to teach you how to make your thumbnail be very attractive and good when you are uploading video on your YouTube. See you on the next video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. I love you guys.